Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to deactivate a trigger in Salesforce without editing the trigger in setup or without doing a deployment. For this video demo, let's take this trigger on account object. So I am on account object and I have a trigger called account trigger. It is currently active and this is the ID of the trigger. Next, it is on the object account. So now, in order to deactivate a trigger without editing it in setup or without any deployment, you can make use of this syntax. So first, get your org domain. In order to get to your org domain, go to Salesforce setup, search for my domain, and this is your domain. So get your domain and use that, and after your domain it should be my.salesforce.com/p/setup/layout/apex trigger list question mark, where we are going to pass query parameters. In the query parameters you have three query parameters. The first one is type should be your object API name. In my case it will be account, because I wanted to deactivate a trigger or inactivate a trigger in account object. Next, trigger underscore ID and activate equal to false. So this is my trigger ID and it is on account object, and I am going to activate it to false. So just copy it. So currently this is active. So I'm deactivating it. So my account trigger is deactivated just now. See, the status is inactive. So we can easily deactivate or inactivate a trigger in Salesforce without any deployment or without doing any edit on the Salesforce setup. Please check the video description. I have shared my blog post. From my blog post, you can get this sample syntax and example. You can modify as per your trigger type and trigger ID, and then you should be able to deactivate or inactivate a trigger without any deployment or without any modification in Salesforce setup. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.